All right, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I get to walk you through this 2026 Nautique S21. This has the nice haze gray outside with a black bottom. Lots to see on the interior, so let's go take a look. All right, welcome aboard this S21. The S21 has nice seats here in the back. We got the nice pop-up pylon right here for skiers or tubers. And then we've got the nice sea deck walkthrough, storage underneath there. Got the pull-out bench, nice U-shaped seating. We've got the speakers up here. And then as we come into the boat, you've got the nice helm chair. We've got the new 15-inch screen. And then the S21 has more of that pointed bow look to it, but nice and deep. So a lot of people can be in the boat and feel safe. So this boat is right here on our show floor, S21 for 2026. Come take a look.